Meet Mia, a quirky young woman with a cat-like face who is about to become a first-time mother. As she juggles her pregnancy, she finds herself tapping away on her laptop in the kitchen, trying to balance her freelance work with the demands of impending motherhood. Each keystroke is accompanied by the sounds of a bubbling pot and a playful baby cooing in the background. Mia's day unfolds in a series of comedic vignettes, from cooking mishaps where flour clouds fill the air, to her baby crawling around her feet while she types furiously. In one memorable scene, she attempts to make a gourmet meal while her cat-faced baby, Luna, plays with the ingredients. The challenges of multitasking lead to humorous situations, revealing Mia's determination to embrace her unique identity as a cat-faced mother while carving out a space for her professional aspirations. As she walks down the street, proudly pushing her baby stroller, Mia encounters curious glances and playful remarks from passers-by. Instead of feeling self-conscious, she embraces her individuality, striking up conversations about motherhood and the joys and quirks of her life. The story culminates in a heartwarming realization that her cat-like features are a part of what makes her special, and that motherhood is a journey filled with love, laughter, and a hint of chaos.